Hey everyone, it's Chuck Haddad again with the Lynch Law Group. Last week in the video I talked about the topic, what is probate? Today I'm going to talk about how you can avoid probate and what are the steps during your lifetime that you can put together to avoid probate, or what are some options post-death if a loved one passed away to sidestep and avoid probate. To avoid probate while you're alive, you can engage in estate planning. Sometimes that is simply tailoring your accounts, whether it's a joint owner designation on the account or a beneficiary designation on the account will pass outside of probate if it's properly titled. You can name a loved one as a primary beneficiary or as a contingent beneficiary, for instance, on a life insurance policy or an IRA retirement account or an annuity contract. Those types of financial accounts will have beneficiaries designated specifically on them. With a bank account, you can identify something called a transfer on death or a payable on death designation, which will allow that account to pass automatically at the account owner's death. Those are some options to avoid probate while you're alive with appropriate planning, which helps offset costs and minimize costs post-death to your beneficiaries, and also helps avoid that delay that probate sometimes can cause. Some options post-death, if a loved one would pass away with an account that's small, for instance, if that account is under $10,000, there's a section of the Pennsylvania statutes, it's section 3101 of Title 20. Under the Pennsylvania law, it allows for small accounts under $10,000 to be released to next of kin if a funeral bill can be proven as paid and a small estate affidavit verifying their status as next of kin is filed with that institution. A second option is if you have a loved one who passed away with an account between $10,000 and $50,000. That account unfortunately has to go through a little deeper dive, something called a small estate petition before it can be released. It's a petition process through the courts. However, it would avoid the full probate process. So there are some options that you can go through. It's important to have counsel by your side to raise those questions, to properly tailor if one of your goals is to avoid probate. We're here to help. Again, my name is Chuck Haddad. Give us a call, 724-776-8000. Thank you.